Hey guys, watch this video and fix your problem about why Apple Intelligence not showing on your iPhone. Everyone is talking about Apple Intelligence called Siri Generation 2, but major folks says after iOS 18 update on its iPhone they don't found Apple Intelligence. So how can that use? They access the settings and says Siri instead of Apple Intelligence. So you may be worrying about that or think that there is something else missing or anything else. So guys, definitely not. Apple AI is not released with iOS 18, but it is available after the iOS 18.1. Once again, Apple AI is available iOS 18.1 update, right? So guys, all of you need that your device is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. So first go down to settings app, scroll the general settings. After that, over here tap on the software update and hold on the screen and check for your software version. This time your device must be connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, otherwise you may be get error unable to check for update. Okay, if any update is available, please update it first and then your update should be iOS 18.1 or later, like iOS 18.1 on 1 or iOS 18.2 and so on. The second thing is that Apple Intelligence only supported to iPhone 15 Pro series like 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max and all iPhone 16 lineup, right? That means if you have iPhone 15, 15 Plus or old iPhone like iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, iPhone 10s, iPhone 10 or iPhone AC model, then your device not able to get Apple Intelligence, right? So these was the two main requirements. If one of them not fulfilled by you till that, you can't get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. If both are okay, even your iPhone is not working with Apple Intelligence, you guys please force reboot your iPhone and recheck again. Usually three buttons are used to force reboot: volume up button, volume down button and power button. So let's get started. Press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and press and hold the power button till the Apple logo appears on the screen. If one time force reboot not working, then try to do 3 to 4 times. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand. So this is AI era, and if you want to use Apple AI on smartphone, then you have to upgrade your iPhone to iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16 series. You can buy cheap iPhones with the link given in this video description below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.